Okay guys, I am not fully set up to film a video like this, but we're going to do it anyways. I'm just here to show how to install the Hush Holsters SKS2000 stock on your SKS. So the stock will come to you like this, either with the Picatinny rail adapter or the M14, or I'm sorry, the Mini 14 style folder. We'll have this pin right here, and these will probably be out, but I'm just keeping them there for right now. You'll want to install, let's just say you want to use the pick rail first. This is a plastic one, but concepts are still identical. You will want to run these in. I'm doing this for speed right now. You do not want to use a power tool. Torque this to whatever you feel. I'd probably put some Loctite on there, but we're just doing this for demonstration purposes. Okay, that's it. Picatinny rail is installed. Now to put your SKS in there, obviously you're going to have to remove the magazine situation. If you can't figure that out, I don't know how you got here. So we're just going to install that right there. Press this down. And then your stock system will ship with this. This is the AK grip adapter. It's going to go just like, it's like a weird ridge here. It's going to go just like this on your trigger group. And you're going to install just like this. And then, in my opinion, the best way to do this is just to hit it with your hand, so you don't damage anything too terribly. That's what it'll look like. Then you'll take your AK grip and put it right there, run the screw in. I'd probably put some Loctite on there, but again, this is just for demonstration. Torque it to whatever you think is sufficient. And then that's what you got. That's how easy it is to install. This is drop in. It'll fit any SKS. It will fit with the fixed magazine as well as AK magazines. So yeah, that's the whole shtick. Thanks for watching.